down.
You've waited all day for the best light. You've waited for just the right moment. The Typhoon H Plus gives you the confidence to capture the best shots you've ever taken. With this aerial camera, professional-grade features are accessible at any skill level. Capture incredible imagery with a large aperture 1-inch sensor camera, capable of 20 megapixel stills and 4K footage at 60 frames per second. Typhoon H Plus comes equipped with Intel RealSense technology, a sophisticated collision avoidance system that detects obstacles and intelligently navigates around them. This aerial camera is powered by a newly redesigned Android-based ST16 controller, which includes a large, high-brightness 7-inch integrated display. Leading its category in stable flight and quiet operation, the large 6-rotor airframe is extremely stable in winds up to 30 miles per hour and is 40% quieter than previous Hex models. Capture those perfect moments with the all-new Typhoon H Plus.
Introducing the Power Dolphin. PowerVision's forward-thinking design team have created a one-of-a-kind streamlined appearance. Power Dolphin has improved the fish finder system. Comes with a newly designed fishing bait container that can accurately release bait. With Power Dolphin, you have a new way to fish by dragging your line behind you instead of your traditional fishing rod, allowing you to tow back catches from the safety of the shoreline or your own boat. It has a 132-degree wide-angle lens, equipped with a headlamp and 4 levels of brightness. You can preview and record fishing via the front camera. Power Dolphin is not only useful for fishing, but also in marine search and rescue. It has 3 different speed levels. Life jackets and other life-saving devices can be delivered safely and released via the remote control function. It can be operated with the included controller for your very own smartphone. Both of these formats have one-touch return to home built in. Power Dolphin's smart sonar system can be used to generate a topographic map of the most complex underwater environments, including the ocean floor. It comes with an interchangeable battery and a micro SD card. It has a running time of approximately 2 hours. Power Dolphin can reach speeds of up to 60. It is equipped with a unique dual-joint rotating camera, allowing users to see above and below the water surface. With a 215-degree wide viewing and pixel camera, shoots at 4K 30 frames per second, with real-time streaming at 1080p HD. So you can better see what's above. Whether you're in the world of remote-controlled marine vehicles.
When people say the sky's the limit, we ask, why stop there? This is the relentless spirit and passion of DJI, and from that, we have created another glimpse at the future of possible. This is the Mavic Air, the newest addition to the DJI family, and another great leap forward for the industry. The Mavic Air takes cues from all of DJI's landmark drones of the past and yields something unique and new in the process. From the sleek chassis to the incredible technology inside it, it's a work of art that produces works of art. It is incredibly compact, so you can take it everywhere. It's exceptionally light, making it nimble in the air without sacrificing stability. The Mavic Air's powerful camera is housed inside a compact 3-axis gimbal system and is the only drone of its size to have one. Captures slow motion in full HD at 120 frames per second and takes still photos at 12 megapixels with low latency. The new and improved panorama mode captures stunning 360-degree photos at the push of a button. The Mavic Air's optimal flight performance means more time in the air to get all those incredible shots. With 21 minutes of total flight time, 4 kilometers transmission distance, and a max speed of 19 meters per second, you can go farther, faster. The Mavic Air's striking industrial design is the perfect union of form and function. And even with its compact size, Mavic Air remains stable in unfavorably windy conditions and at higher land elevations, something that was once only possible with larger, more expensive drones. The Mavic Air is easier than ever to fly. The new APAS system allows the Mavic Air to detect obstructions in real time and fly around them without stopping. Multiple environment sensing cameras ensure the safety of the Mavic Air while flying. With front and back obstacle avoidance sensors, the Mavic Air sees more obstructions faster. Active Track now allows multiple object detection, which means more flexibility for object tracking. Quick shot modes like Asteroid and Boomerang get you professional camera moves automatically. The controller is as sleek and compact as the Mavic Air itself. Removable sticks sew right inside for an ultra-low profile. Proclaim your individuality with multiple color options and a full suite of accessories. Mavic Air redefines power and portability in a way that only DJI could make possible. And with the Mavic Air in your hands, it will feel like anything is possible.